So you and press save. Okay, cause guys, it's gonna take some minutes. I'm gonna pause it for now, and when it's gonna be finished, I'll come back. Okay, now we're done, and let's get started. Okay, we're gonna drag these into our desktop. Okay, and press extract here. Okay, we're gonna get all these files. Okay, we're not gonna need that. Okay, that's the only things that we're gonna need. Okay, we're gonna press setup. Okay, gonna take some time to launch. Okay, yep. Next, 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 next. Install. Okay, it's gonna install for now. And also, there's a file named Cinema 40 CDK something. Okay, we're gonna open this and we're gonna copy paste them. Okay, we're gonna wait for this sometime, so I'm gonna pause it and we're gonna come back again. Sorry guys for this, but ciao. Okay guys, it's getting finished, and now it's finished, and we have this program over here, and I press launch Cinema 4D. Okay, it's launching. For me, wait, what's gonna happen? Wait. Yeah, installing plugins, layout. Okay, it's done for me. It didn't ask to put the serial key because I was already registered. So for you guys, when you open this, it's gonna bring a registration thing, and you're gonna press put your name, your street, email, and you're gonna copy paste these serial keys. Okay, this all you're gonna put copy, and you're gonna paste them, all of them there. Okay guys, please, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.